Hello everyone, and welcome to Ultimate Plumbing and Repair. When residents and staff of a local condominium community noticed a foul-smelling water rising from the ground near a manhole, they called Ultimate Plumbing to investigate and correct the issue. Ultimate Plumbing and Repair came to the property and inspected the area the residents and staff had pointed out. A member of the Ultimate Plumbing crew noticed an 8-inch sewer main was backing up into the manhole, which strongly indicated the issue lay somewhere between that manhole and the next one, 100 feet away. Now let's go live to the job site. Today we are joined by the owner and founder of Ultimate Plumbing and Repair, Joe Hughes. Joe, we see a big plumbing project behind you. Can you tell us what's going on?
We're working on a 8-inch sewer main.
When Ultimate Plumbing and Repair first arrived, what did your guys find?
They had a sewer leak coming above the ground, and we diagnosed it and found that the sewer line had been broken, 10 foot deep.
Joe, we see Wes and Kevin currently working and operating heavy-duty machines. Can you tell us what they're doing and what the goal is?
Right now, they're trying to get all the sewer and the water, mud out of the hole so we can make a good bedding for the new pipe.
Now, Joe, can you tell us about Ultimate Plumbing and Repair and the services that you offer?
Not only we do commercial jobs like this, but we also do residential service work, sewers, water lines, anything that has to do with plumbing, we definitely do it, residential or commercial.
Thank you, Joe. Ultimate Plumbing and Repair is a family-owned plumbing repair business. They provide a wide selection of plumbing services to both residential and commercial locations, including bathroom remodels, gas line installations, general plumbing repairs, tankless water heater installations, drain cleaning, toilet repairs, and more. For more information, please visit www.ultimateplumbinginc.com.